I've discovered how to make those viral Italian brainrot videos that are taking over TikTok and Instagram right now. From characters like Tung 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 Sahur and ballerina cuppucina that everyone's obsessed with. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to make these videos yourself, and trust me, this is going to be absolutely insane. I have tested every possible method, and I finally cracked the code to create these viral videos in just minutes. Instead of wasting hundreds of credits trying to figure this out through error like most people do. Let me show you what's possible. Look at this video I just created.
No, la polizia, no, porco Dio, no, no.
Pretty incredible, right? I made this in less than 10 minutes with just some simple prompts and a few tweaks. And now I'm going to walk you through the exact process so you can do the same to follow along with this tutorial. I have put the link in the description. Feel free to click it and follow my tutorial. Before we jump in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our future tutorials, updates, or creative hacks. Let's get into it. Start by clicking the link in the description. It'll take you straight to the DeeVid AI platform. Once you're on the site, log in or sign up. It's quick and painless. Then click on Try DeeVid AI and you'll land on the main dashboard. Click Reference, hop over to the Image to Video AI page, and upload your main character. Then just type out what crazy scene you want to create. I'm using our good old buddy Tung here. And yep, he's running from the cops again. Now, here's the fun part. There's a special AI prompt enhancer toggle. Totally optional, but I recommend turning it on. It's a DeeVid-only feature that helps polish your prompt and makes it more visually smart. Think of it as your creative sidekick. Click Create and wait for the final result. And here's what the memes looks like. Want to make two characters interact? Just upload another one. Like here, I added Tung 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 Sahur and Bonka Ambalabu and made them throw hands. This one's from a previous project. If you want to see Tung 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 Sahur fighting all kinds of characters, go check out the fight compilation on my homepage. And there you have it, a perfect Italian brainrot video created with DeeVid AI in just minutes. This is exactly the kind of content that's going viral on TikTok right now, and you can create it yourself with just a few simple steps. And that's a wrap on today's tutorial. If this video helped you, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. It means a lot and helps more creators discover this tool. Got an idea for another tutorial or want me to test a different AI generator? Drop it in the comments. I always love seeing what you're curious about. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next. Now go ahead, click that link below and create your AI content. See you in the next video.